Welcome to the digital marketing trends in 2024. Things are changing definitely. The dominance of video content continues to reign supreme, captivating audiences and forging deeper connections in the digital realm. The convergence of virtual and augmented reality is offering consumers interactive and immersive experiences like never before, shaping the digital marketing arena. Data-driven marketing is evolving into predictive and prescriptive analytics, allowing businesses to anticipate consumer behavior and tailor personalized marketing strategies. Chatbots and conversational marketing are becoming indispensable tools for engaging with customers in real time, delivering personalized assistance and driving conversions around the clock. Influencer marketing continues to thrive, evolving into a more authentic and diverse ecosystem, offering brands new avenues for reaching targeted demographics. As we navigate the ever-changing landscape of digital marketing in 2024, adaptability is key. Embracing emerging technologies and consumer preferences allows brands to stay ahead of the curve and forge meaningful connections in the digital age.